how to revert or restore your Shopify theme template files. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can revert or restore your Shopify theme template files. So to do this for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to online store, okay? And once you come to online store, basically this is when you change any code in your file, okay? You can go to your recent code. So let's say I'm going to come over to theme liquid, okay? Now, if you've made any changes in your theme liquid and you want to go back, you can see that if you have any recent changes in your actual code, it's going to, tell you that you have changes or if you have any other things to add. So let's say I'm going to, add this. I'm going to click on save. So now you can see it says recent changes. So I can go back to my original change. So if I do that, look at that, it's going to revert back. So if you want to go back or revert your theme template files, what you're going to do is just go to the main liquid codes that you edited, go on recent, and then change it to whatever date you want to change it back to. And that is how you can revert or restore your Shopify theme template files. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.